2021. Utomunye umuntu Khehlelezi, we are waiting for you to predict is prophet or 2021. What is the prophecy for 2021 for our country? Keep this is on record. One, the first prophecy, umangilele ebusuku uthi uNkulunkulu kimi kunokufa okukhulu okukhona this year. Abantu bazofa njengezinja. I'm sorry to use the word. They will die like dogs. Number two, I see umbuso uvukelana, abantu bazovukelana, blaming each other, and I see ama-divorce ngendlela eyisimangaliso. Ngibona kuvukelana ama-politician, politiki, isizwe nesizwe siyolwa, silwe, politician, big friends, they will be fighting to each other. Bazokhipha amafayili amaningi, abanye nabanye bekhipha ama-secret ukuthi lo nalo. Ngibona izive eziwu-2 ezizo-introducewa this year. Lesi sifo nalesi sifo esizongena, a new one esizongena. But enye into futhi engiyibonayo, ngibona abantu bebalekela beluze focus, i-education bengayithathi serious, and ngibona lots of ama-strikes, iy'teleke ey'ningi engiyibonayo. But ukufa kuhamba phambili, abantu bazofa njengamaphela this year. Ileso prophet enginaso. Kahle kahle uKhehlelezi ubuyile bafowethu, ngisekhona bengisekhona. And happy new year to all the traditional healers. Happy new year to all izangoma. Happy new year to kubafundisi bonke. And let's stay focused. Asifocuseni message engihambisa bafowethu kubalaphi bendabuko, kubalaphi besintu, message engiyisa kubona. Guys, whatever you are doing, ngicela singacekelani phansi, ungamcekeli omunye phansi ngoba yena enganayo imoto. Ungamcekeli omunye phansi ngoba enganayo indlu enhle. Sonke sizinyanga sibalekile. Silapha abantu, kuyagulwa ngapha nangapha. Into kade ngifisa ukuthi yenzeke manje, bengifisa sonke sibumbane, siyabelaphi bendabuko. Singabi sabheka ukuthi omunye unjani. Asifanele njengengane zandawonye. Sike sizama ukulwa necorona njengamanje ukuthi yini ikhambila lento manje. Singagxekani ukuthi umunye unjani, asibambeleni kanje. Otherwise bafethu mina ngikhona, uzothi ofuna i-appointment 032 948 6017 032 948 6017 noma abasegoli bonke each and every Thursday. I'm in Joburg enambeni nje ethi 066 00 266 33 066 00 266 33 noma ushaye uthi 063 051 7641. Bafowethu nonke niphesheya kwelwandle, ngiyanizwa ukukhala kwenu, and I'm always praying for you. Ngihlala nginani ngokwemthandazo, ngihlala nginani ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ngimthanda ngothando lukalawo. And all those who are watching it, either you're an Indian, a white man, stay blessed. God bless you for watching this wonderful man. I'm trying by all means to bless everyone, and you are blessed for watching this video. And I love you with all my heart. I love you. I love all those families who believe in me. Guys, those who believe in me. And again, congratulations to Ukuzani Mfokampomose on Umaskandi ukuhlukanisa unyaka. Big up to you, Big Zulu. I know my brother, you were expecting that. But yeah, next year 2022 you can still make it. Kuwena ndoda yamadoda mthandeni, siyabonga kakhulu mfowethu ukuthi ube number 2 nawe. Big up, siyabonga mfowethu, niphusheni kanjalo bafowethu, niyasiphakamisa isintu, nginithanda kakhulu bafowethu ngendlela esimanga, ngiyazehlisa, khule kanjalo nje, nibathanda abantu, nibahloniphe abantu, umhlaba niuhloniphe. Ngiyabonga kakhulu, ungakhohlwa phela manje njengoba usabuka. Don't forget, please, just a red button down there, subscribe, so that you can always get my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you.